Hey everyone, the V2511 is a new, reasonably priced monitor that HKC has released for the Chinese market. This monitor can now be bought on JD.com for 459 yuan, or roughly $63. The HKC V2511 offers crisp and clear images, thanks to its 24.5-inch IPS panel, which has a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Vibrant and detailed images are ensured by the monitor's brightness level of 250 nits, and static contrast ratio of 1000:1. Its broad 178-degree horizontal and vertical viewing angles preserve constant image quality from different viewpoints. The V2511's 5 milliseconds response time is one of its primary characteristics. It helps minimize ghosting, which makes it appropriate for action-packed videos and games that require quick pace. The monitor can also handle a 100Hz refresh rate, which offers smoother images than conventional 60Hz panels. This increased refresh rate makes web browsing and app switching more enjoyable by providing a more responsive feel. Additionally, the V2511 displays 99% of the sRGB color space, suggesting good color fidelity for typical use. Moreover, a wide spectrum of colors are supported by its 8-bit color depth, guaranteeing vivid and realistic visuals. The HKC V2511 is a great choice for multi-monitor installations because of its elegant 3-sided narrow bezel, which reduces distractions. This appearance decision improves the visual appeal and makes for a more engaging viewing experience. The HKC V2511 monitor has a low blue light filter and flicker-free technology because it was made with eye comfort in mind. It's an excellent choice for anyone who spends a lot of time in front of screens because of these qualities, which are essential for minimizing eye strain during prolonged use. By keeping constant brightness levels under varied lighting circumstances, DC dimming technology adds even more visual comfort. The V2511 has conventional ports for connectivity, including one VGA port and one HDMI 1.4 port. Because of its adaptability, the monitor can be quickly and simply linked to a wide range of devices, including PCs and game consoles, guaranteeing wide compatibility and user-friendliness. Additionally, the V2511 allows for VESA 75 by 75mm mounting, offering a flexible configuration option. The monitor can be mounted on a wall or used as a desk, depending on the user's taste and available space. It also has a height-adjustable stand. All things considered, the HKC V2511 blends performance, comfort, and adaptability, making it a desirable option for a variety of consumers searching for a reasonably priced yet feature-rich monitor. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.